Petroglyph.
Yes, petroglyph. From this side.
Here, 40,000 years ago, to prepare the Azerbaijan, it's one of the branches went further north to Scandinavia.
Geçen gayet.
Nöbrası var mı aslında?
Shirkaya and Shongar mountains. And we are in the Büyüktaş mountain. Büyük means big, Taş means stone. Yeah. Here you can see the ancient musical instrument Kavaldaş or tambourines. Ancient people were doing a ritual around this stone. Also, when earthquake happened or natural disaster happened, they send a signal with this. If you want, you can try. Yeah. There are those. This is limestone. Before this canyon started this place, canyon place. Yeah. Goat, Bezoar goat. Bezoar is a type of goat. Here, these are like Yalli dance before hunting and after hunting. Before hunting, they prepared themselves for hunting. After you can see, three men have different head shapes. So we can say that probably these are shaman or important men in the tribes. Every land shows the number of passengers there. And you can see a lot of hunters here. Why? Because they have arrow and bow. And rainwater, Caspian Sea water, this zigzag space. And we can see shaman, the tribe, hunter, the body, arrow, bow, legs, a deer, and small hunter. Ana means mother. Why we call Anaza? Because there are a lot of women petroglyphs here. Ancient people depicted women without head, without arms, without legs. But breast, belly and buttocks are large. Why? Probably they had ritualistic or religious meanings because woman is the beginning of family. So probably this indicates beliefs about fertility, abundance. And you can see here a lot of female petroglyphs in their profile. This tool or weapon. This is a man, but this man is raising his hands like this. Probably he was dancing or praying. Goat, a lot of hunters. You can see Tusa. First time September discovered petroglyphs in Jingirdan mountain in 1939. And the first expeditions were sent to Gobustan in 1940, 1941. But after Second World War, in 1960s, scientists came here and they found a group of oxygen. Yeah. And until this line, this cave covered with soil and sand. And scientists carved here and they found a lot of petroglyphs, animal bones, fireplaces, and structures, but not human bones. But last summer, scientists found a little child bone from there, and the age of child was 4 or 7 years. You can see big oaks here. Yeah. And wild horse. Yeah. And fireplace, brown and black color fireplace. The composition of fireplace are pine and oak trees. Legs, arms, here, and you can see bir dakika. Hunter, arrow, bow, okay, hunter, okay, men and hunters images. And the third one, just head, not body. Men and women. Ox again here. And two visual gods depicted face to face. But that visual god has 3 lions. The meaning of 3 lions were probably the gender of goat, male, female, age of goat, 3 years old. Or probably that goat was victim. Why? Because prehistoric people draw the animals and then they sacrifice them. Oxen and goats. Yeah, and you can see ox and both image, and you can see some numbers on the rocks, like 41. These numbers were created by scientists during the excavations for documentation. So since 2007, it is not allowed to draw any images, to create the numbers on the rocks, or even to touch. It is not allowed by UNESCO. About 5 or 8,000 years ago, and you can see domesticated ox here. Why? Because it has rope around the neck. Domesticated ox. Ox and wild horse. To catch wild boar.
Okay.
That is dynamic hunter scene. A dog like this try to catch wild boar. Pregnant woman in the profile. Look at there. Yeah, and 2 oxen face to face and wild horse.
Soviet colors. Has been painted during Soviet time.
Actually, it has.
Number 1 science in the world, Soviet time. And they make an old petroglyphs then in color that, okay, nice horse, nice horse.
About 1 million years ago, Gobustan was under the water Caspian Sea, but movement started, regression, transregression started, and mountains appeared here. And rainwater Caspian Sea polished them. Camel image, the body, legs, and 1 hump. Because this type is the Arabic type, and scientists call it Ramadan. And this image belongs to Middle Ages. Yeah, there are a lot of cupolas here made by humans. Ancient people didn't drink the Caspian Sea water because Caspian Sea water was salty. So they collected rainwater here and used them. This land shows that rainwater comes in and animal trap. While animals were drinking water, hunters could hunt these animals quietly. So they used these are tombstones. We can see a lot of inscriptions and images on the tombstones. These images and inscriptions give us a lot of information about the person's life. For example, you can see shoes, sword, helmet. So we can say that this tombstone belongs to
How are you?
soldier. The second one belongs to religious man because you can see only one inscription, Ayatul Kursi. Ayatul Kursi is from Quran, from Islam religion. And the third and fourth one belong to rich man, imported man, because you can see a lot of servants, a lot of riders, horses, and things. And these tombstones belong to our era, about 16th, 17th centuries.
The last one.
Same.
Same, right? This
Muhammed